In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use image click-through URLs. Squarespace 7.0. To get started, log into your Squarespace account and open the page where you want the image link to appear. Once you are on the correct page, click Edit so you can make changes to the layout and content. Next, move your cursor over the image block that you want to make clickable. When the editing controls appear, click Edit. You can also simply double-click the image, which opens the same editor. This is the area where you control the image settings, including where that image sends visitors when they click on it. Inside the image editor window, click the Content tab. This section contains the main settings for the image itself. From there, scroll down until you see the Click-Through URL section. This is the field that tells Squarespace what link should open when someone selects that image on your live site. Click inside the Click-Through URL box or select the gear icon next to it. Either option will open the link editor panel. The link editor gives you different ways to choose where the image should lead, depending on what you want your visitors to access. In the link editor, you can choose Content if you want to link the image to something that already exists inside your Squarespace site. This could be another page, a collection item such as a blog post or product, or even a file. If you want to direct visitors somewhere outside your site, you can use the external link option and paste in the full URL. If needed, you can also upload a new file directly from this panel so the image links to that file. Take a moment here to make sure you select the correct destination. This is especially helpful if you are using images as buttons, promotional banners, or visual links to important pages. A quick check now can save time later and helps make sure the user experience is smooth. Once you have chosen the link you want, click Save. That will apply the click-through URL to the image block. After saving, your image will now direct visitors to the destination you selected whenever they click on it. That covers everything you need to know.